Meet the Mayhew Chat Dining Armchair by Berlin Gardens, a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and timeless style for your outdoor space. Made from polytough lumber, this chair is crafted with 95% recycled plastic, giving you the look of real wood without the upkeep. It won't fade, crack, or warp, and it's ready to handle sun, rain, or snow year after year with virtually no maintenance. Sized for relaxed dining and conversation, it's about 26 inches wide, 25 inches deep, and nearly 39 inches tall, with arms and a seat height that make it easy to sit back and enjoy long evenings with friends. What makes it truly special is its design, classic lines with a touch of modern style, so it fits just as well in a traditional garden setting as it does on a sleek, contemporary patio. And since each chair is made in the USA with Amish craftsmanship, you get incredible attention to detail and lasting stability you can feel every time you sit down. Plus, it comes backed by a 20-year residential warranty, giving you peace of mind that it's built to last for decades of outdoor gatherings. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.